Question 1. Tank vehicles are often used to carry A. Solid materials, B. Liquids and gases, C. Small cars. Answer: B. Liquids and gases. Tank vehicles are designed to carry liquids and gases which may be flammable, corrosive, or hazardous. Question 2. To control surge, you should A. Brake suddenly, B. Drive at a steady pace, C. Make sharp turns. Answer: B. Drive at a steady pace. Controlling your speed and avoiding sudden movements will help control the surge of liquid inside the tank. Question 3. A bulkhead is A. A barrier between the driver and the cargo, B. A divider within the tank, C. The front part of the tank. Answer: B. A divider within the tank. Bulkheads are used in some tanks to divide the tank into separate compartments. Question 4. A tank without baffles requires A. Less caution when driving, B. More caution when starting and stopping, C. No special consideration. Answer: B. More caution when starting and stopping. Without baffles, liquid can surge forward or backward freely, potentially affecting the stability of the vehicle. Question 5. When hauling liquids in tanks, stopping distance can be A. Decreased, B. Increased, C. Remains unchanged. Answer: B. Increased. The movement of the liquid can increase the distance it takes to stop the vehicle. Question 6. Liquid surge can lead to A. More stable steering, B. Reduced stopping distances, C. Vehicle rollovers. Answer: C. Vehicle rollovers. If not controlled, liquid surge can destabilize the vehicle and increase the risk of rollovers. Question 7. Tankers are more likely to roll over than other trucks because A. They have a lower center of gravity, B. They have a higher center of gravity, C. They are usually lighter. Answer: B. They have a higher center of gravity. The movement of the liquid can raise the center of gravity and make them more susceptible to rollovers. Question 8. When loading a tanker with multiple compartments, it's important to A. Fill all compartments at the same time, B. Load heavier compartments first, C. Load the rear compartments first. Answer: B. Load heavier compartments first. This helps maintain better weight distribution and stability. Question 9. Before loading or unloading a tank with flammable liquid, you should A. Turn off the engine, B. Increase the engine RPM, C. Unhook the electrical connections. Answer: A. Turn off the engine. This reduces the risk of ignition. Question 10. True or false? A full tanker is less likely to have surge problems than one that is partially full. Answer: true. When a tanker is full, the liquid has less room to move, reducing surge problems. Question 11. True or false? You should always unload a tank from the top. Answer: false. Unloading from the bottom using gravity can be safer and more efficient. Question 12. If your tanker has a manhole and it's not a pressure tank, the manhole should A. Always be open, B. Always be closed tight, C. Be partially open. Answer: B. Always be closed tight. This prevents the possibility of spillage or contamination. Question 13. In a tank with baffles, the baffles A. Prevent all movement of liquid, B. Reduce forward and backward surge, C. Increase side-to-side movement. Answer: B. Reduce forward and backward surge. Baffles help control the movement of the liquid, but don't entirely prevent it. Question 14. When driving a tanker, making quick lane changes can result in A. A more responsive vehicle, B. Liquid waves that make the tanker harder to steer, C. An improved fuel economy. Answer: B. Liquid waves that make the tanker harder to steer. Quick movements can cause the liquid inside to create waves, affecting vehicle control. Question 15. When a tanker is only partially filled, the liquid inside A. Is fully static. B. Forms waves that move from side to side. C. Only moves back and forth. Answer B. Forms waves that move from side to side. The movement of the liquid creates waves that can destabilize the vehicle. Question 16. True or false? An outage or ullage is the space in the tank that is free of liquid. Answer: true. This space allows for the liquid to expand if it heats up without causing a spill. Question 17. To help prevent rollover, you should A. Take turns at high speed. B. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible. C. Avoid using your mirrors. Answer: B. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible. This helps maintain a lower center of gravity and increase stability. Question 18. The amount of liquid to load into a tank depends on A. The amount of liquid the tank can hold. B. The weight of the liquid and legal weight limits. C. The weather conditions. Answer: B. The weight of the liquid and legal weight limits. You should not exceed weight limits, even if the tank can hold more liquid. Question 19. True or false? A tank endorsement is required for portable tanks of 1,000 gallons or more. Answer: true. You need a tank endorsement for tanks with a capacity of 1,000 gallons or more. Question 20. If your tanker does not have stabilizing baffles, you should be cautious. A. Only when accelerating. B. Only when driving downhill. C. When starting, stopping, and making turns. Answer: C. When starting, stopping, and making turns. Without baffles, the liquid can move freely, creating a high risk of surging. Question 21. An emergency stop in a tanker can cause A. Improved steering capabilities. B. A spill or surge of the liquid. C. A more fuel-efficient drive. Answer: B. A spill or surge of the liquid. Emergency stops can lead to the destabilization of the vehicle due to the movement of the liquid. Question 22. True or false? All tank vehicles must have special endorsements. Answer: true. To operate a tank vehicle, you need a tank vehicle endorsement. Question 23. In tanks with multiple compartments. A. Each compartment can be filled to capacity. B. All compartments must be half full. C. The weight of the liquid in each compartment should be considered for total weight distribution. Answer: C. The weight of the liquid in each compartment should be considered for total weight distribution. Proper weight distribution ensures safety and adherence to weight limits. Question 24. The danger of a liquid's high vapor pressure, such as gasoline, is A. Lower explosive potential. B. Vapor will ignite at low temperatures. C. The liquid will freeze quickly. Answer: B. The vapor will ignite at low temperatures. High vapor pressure liquids can give off large amounts of vapor, which can ignite and catch fire. Question 25. True or false? Empty tankers are at a lower risk of a rollover than loaded tankers. Answer: false. Empty tankers can be just as dangerous as, or even more dangerous than, loaded ones because they may be top-heavy. Question 26. A check valve in the tanker is used to A. Increase fuel efficiency. B. Stop the flow of liquid in case of a rollover or capsize. C. Provide a passage for air into the tank. Answer: B. Stop the flow of liquid in case of a rollover or capsize. Check valves help prevent spills and further hazards. Question 27. True or false? Insulated tanks are always used for transporting food. Answer: false. While some food products may require insulated tanks, not all do. Insulated tanks are also used for temperature-sensitive chemicals or other substances. Question 28. Baffles in a tank. A. Turn the tank into a sealed environment. B. Convert the tank into multiple compartments. C. Help to control the movement of the liquid inside. Answer: C. Help to control the movement of the liquid inside. Baffles are barriers to liquid movement and can help prevent surge. Question 29. In a tanker with baffles, you should: A. Expect no liquid movement. B. Drive more aggressively. C. Still drive cautiously, expecting some movement. Answer: C. Still drive cautiously, expecting some movement. Baffles reduce but do not eliminate the movement of liquid. Question 30. True or false? All tanks require the same type of venting. Answer: false. The venting requirements vary based on the liquid being transported and the design of the tank. Question 31. When driving a tanker, you should always avoid: A. Quick starts and stops. B. Keeping a safe following distance. C. Using your mirrors. Answer: A. Quick starts and stops. Sudden movements can cause the liquid to surge, destabilizing the vehicle. Question 32. The primary reason for maintaining a high level of caution when driving an empty tanker is: A. Reduced visibility. B. Residual liquids may cause shift in weight. C. Improved aerodynamics. Answer: B. Residual liquids may cause shift in weight. Even if the tanker is empty, there might still be remnants that can move and cause instability. Question 33. True or false? A tanker's weight will always remain constant during a trip, regardless of the amount of fuel used. Answer: false. As fuel is used during the trip, the vehicle's weight will decrease, potentially affecting its handling characteristics. Question 34. Tank vehicles require special driving skills because: A. They often transport heavy or dangerous cargo. B. Their weight distribution can change rapidly. C. Both A and B. Answer: C. Both A and B. Tank vehicles carry heavy or hazardous cargo, and the movement of liquid can change weight distribution. Question 35. True or false? Smoothbore tanks are less likely to experience liquid surge than tanks with baffles. Answer: false. Smoothbore tanks, which lack interior baffles, are more likely to experience liquid surge. Question 36. In smoothbore tanks, to prevent surge: A. Make quick stops. B. Avoid sudden movements and turns. C. Keep the tank only half full. Answer: B. Avoid sudden movements and turns. Smooth and steady driving helps control the movement of the liquid. Question 37. Surge results from: A. Movement of air within the tank. B. Movement of liquid within the tank. C. Movement of the tank itself. Answer: B. Movement of liquid within the tank. Surge is caused by the liquid shifting or sloshing inside. Question 38. True or false? The surge effect in smoothbore tanks can push the truck in the direction the liquid moves. Answer: true. The force of the liquid moving in a certain direction can push the truck in the same direction, affecting its control. Question 39. Outage refers to: A. The amount of space left for the liquid to expand. B. A power failure in the tanker's electrical system. C. The maximum amount of liquid the tanker can carry. Answer: A. The amount of space left for the liquid to expand. Outage prevents overflows due to expansion. Question 40. High center of gravity in tankers means: A. They can corner at higher speeds. B. They are less likely to roll over. C. They are more susceptible to rolling over. Answer: C. They are more susceptible to rolling over. A high center of gravity makes the vehicle less stable during turns or sudden maneuvers. Question 41. True or false? Loaded tankers have a faster stopping distance than empty ones. Answer: false. Loaded tankers typically have a longer stopping distance due to the added weight. Question 42. When inspecting a tanker, drivers should ensure: A. All hatches and lids are securely closed. B. There are no leaks. C. Both A and B. Answer: C. Both A and B. For safety and to prevent spills, it's important to ensure everything is sealed and no leaks are present. Question 43. A wet tank is: A. A tank that has been recently cleaned. B. A tank filled with water. C. A tank with residual liquid inside. Answer: C. A tank with residual liquid inside. Wet tanks can be more unstable due to the movement of leftover liquid. Question 44. True or false? Tankers are typically equipped with ABS brakes. Answer: true. Modern tankers are equipped with anti-lock braking systems, ABS, to prevent wheel lockup during braking. Question 45. The main hazard of carrying liquids in tanks is: A. Increased tire wear. B. Liquid surge. C. Increased fuel consumption. Answer: B. Liquid surge. Surge can destabilize the vehicle and increase the risk of accidents. Question 46. True or false? Insulated tanks are only for carrying hot liquids. Answer: false. Insulated tanks can be used for both hot and cold liquids, depending on the cargo's temperature requirements. Question 47. A tanker's shutoff valve is used to: A. Reduce the vehicle's speed. B. Stop the flow of liquid during unloading. C. Control the vehicle's air conditioning. Answer: B. Stop the flow of liquid during unloading. It's a safety feature to control the flow of cargo. Question 48. Baffles in a tanker. A. Allow for the flow of liquid in one direction only. B. Completely divide the tank into separate compartments. C. Reduce the forward and backward movement of liquid, but allow side-to-side flow. Answer: C. Reduce the forward and backward movement of liquid, but allow side-to-side flow. Baffles are not full dividers but restrict the liquid's movement. Question 49. True or false? Tankers always require special permits to operate on the road. Answer: false. While some tankers, especially those carrying hazardous materials, might need special permits, not all do. Question 50. The primary advantage of hauling liquid cargo in a tanker with compartments is: A. Improved fuel efficiency. B. Increased capacity. C. Reduced effect of liquid movement and surge. Answer: C. Reduced effect of liquid movement and surge. Compartments can limit the movement of the liquid, enhancing stability. Question 51. If you see a tanker placard displaying a flammable sign, this means: A. The tanker is carrying water. B. The tanker is empty. C. The tanker is carrying a liquid that can easily catch fire. Answer: C. The tanker is carrying a liquid that can easily catch fire. Such placards are used to warn of the type of cargo inside. Question 52. True or false? It's safe to smoke near all tankers. Answer: false. Especially near tankers carrying flammable or explosive liquids, smoking can be extremely dangerous. Question 53. An emergency shutoff valve in a tanker is generally located: A. At the rear of the tanker. B. On the side of the tanker. C. On top of the tanker. Answer: A. At the rear of the tanker. This allows easy access in case of emergencies during unloading. Question 54. To prevent static electricity when unloading a tanker, you should: A. Use plastic hoses. B. Use a grounding cable. C. Turn off all lights. Answer B. Use a grounding cable. Grounding helps dissipate static charges safely. Question 55. True or false? Loading a tank from the top increases the chance of static buildup. Answer: true. Loading from the top allows the liquid to fall, which can create static charges. Question 56. When transporting a flammable liquid, it's essential to A. Avoid tunnels. B. Keep a fire extinguisher accessible. C. Drive with windows open. Answer: B. Keep a fire extinguisher accessible. In case of a fire, having an extinguisher close by is crucial for safety. Question 57. True or false? All tankers come with built-in heaters. Answer: false. Only some tankers designed for specific cargo, like certain chemicals or oils, might have built-in heaters. Question 58. A tanker's vapor recovery system is used to A. Improve fuel efficiency. B. Capture and contain harmful vapors during unloading. C. Heat the liquid inside the tanker. Answer: B. Capture and contain harmful vapors during unloading. This system prevents harmful emissions. Question 59. True or false? In case of a rollover, the design of modern tankers prevents any liquid from spilling. Answer: false. While modern design features aim to reduce spillage, it's not guaranteed that no liquid will spill in case of a rollover. Question 60. The primary reason to avoid overfilling a tanker is A. To improve fuel efficiency. B. To leave space for the driver's belongings. C. To allow for the liquid's expansion due to temperature changes. Answer: C. To allow for the liquid's expansion due to temperature changes. Overfilling can lead to spills and pressure buildup.